Hi children, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So welcome back children. Let us begin the video session. Children, do you all remember what we did in the last video session? Yes, we started chapter 4, that is geometry. Now in this video session, we are going to continue the exercise 4.1. Shall we begin children? Question number 7. In triangle RST, angle S is 10 degree greater than angle R and angle T is 5 degree less than angle S. Find the three angles of the triangle. So now let us move to the solution. Since it is given as triangle RST, let us draw a triangle and name it as R, S and T. Now, it is given that angle S is 10 degree greater than angle R and angle T is 5 degree less than angle S. So, let us take angle R to be X. And S is given that it is 10 degree greater than angle R. So, that can be written as X plus 10 degree. Yes. Now, angle T is given as 5 degree less than angle S, which can be written as X plus 10, that is S, angle S, minus 5 degree. Okay. Now, let us write what is given. In triangle RST, let angle R is equal to X. Given angle S is 10 degree greater than angle R. Therefore, angle S is equal to X plus 10 degree. Also, given that angle T is 5 degree less than angle S. So, angle T is equal to angle S minus 5 degree. That is equal to X plus 10 degree minus 5 degree. That is equal to X plus 10 degree minus 5 degree. Now, we are going to use the angle sum property of the triangle. Last class, we learned the angle sum property of a triangle. Do you remember children? Yes, what does it state? The sum of the angles in a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. Yes, so using the angle sum property, we are going to write it as angle R plus angle S plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Now, in the place of R, S and T, we are going to substitute the corresponding values. So, angle R is taken as X, angle S is taken as X plus 10 degree and angle T you can write it as X plus 5 degrees because 10 degree minus 5 degree will be plus 5 degree. So, I can write it as X plus 10 degree plus X plus 5 degree, which is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, on the left hand side, we have three variables X plus X plus X. So, we are going to add all the three X. So, that will be 3X. And we have the degree 10 degree and 5 degree. So adding both you will get 15 degrees. So 3x plus 15 degrees is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we have 3x plus 15 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose 15 degrees to the other side of the equation so that it can be written as 3x is equal to 180 degrees minus 15 degrees. On subtracting 180 and minus 15, we get 165 degrees. So now we have 3x is equal to 165 degrees. Now to find the value of x, let me transpose 3 to the other side so that it divides 165. Now on dividing 165 degrees by 3, we get the answer as 55 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 55 degrees. Now, this x is taken as angle R. So, which can be written as angle R is equal to x, that is equal to 55 degrees. And angle S is taken as x plus 10 degrees. So here in the place of x we are going to substitute 55 degrees. So 55 degrees plus 10 degrees will give us 65 degrees, which is the angle for S. Now angle T is taken as x plus 5 degrees. Now here we are going to substitute x value as 55 degrees. So 55 degrees plus 5 degrees on adding will give the value as 60 degrees. So therefore we have found the angles R, S and T. Therefore the angles are, angle R is equal to 55 degrees, angle S is equal to 65 degrees and angle T is equal to 60 degrees. Now the 8th question. In triangle ABC, if angle B is 3 times angle A and angle C is 2 times angle A, then find the angles. So this question is similar to the 7th question. So now let us move on to the solution. Since triangle ABC is given, let us draw a triangle A, B and C. And it is given that angle B is 3 times angle A and angle C is 2 times angle A. So they have not mentioned what is angle A, but just a hint about the other two angles is given. So let us take angle A to be x. So let us mark it as x. And given that angle B is 3 times angle A, so that can be written as 3x. While angle C is 2 times angle A. So 2 times angle A, that means 2x. Now in the solution part, let us write in triangle ABC, let angle A is equal to x, then angle B is equal to 3 times angle A, that means that is equal to 3x. Angle C is 2 times angle A, that is equal to 2x. Now since we have written all the 3 angles, let us use the angle sum property. By angle sum property of triangles we have, so what we have to do? We have to add all the 3 angles, that is x, 3x and 2x. Okay, so adding angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees by the angle sum property of a triangle. Yes, so what is angle A? X. Angle B? 3x. Angle C? 2x. So that can be written as x plus 3x plus 2x will be equal to 180 degrees. Now in my left hand side all the values are in terms of x and it is plus. So I am going to add all the values. X plus 3x, that will be equal to 4x. 4x plus 2x, that will be equal to 6x. So 6x is equal to 180 degrees. Now in order to find x, let me transpose 6 to the other side. So it divides 180 degrees. Yes. So when I divide 180 degrees by 6, that will be equal to 30 degrees. Now we have found what is x, that is angle A is equal to x, that is equal to 30 degrees. Now with this we are going to find what is angle B and angle C. Angle B we have found it as 3x, so it can be written as 3 into what is x? 30 degrees. So 3 into 30 will be equal to 90 degrees, which is angle B. Now angle C we have written as 2x. So 2 into, in the place of x we substitute 30 degrees. So 2 into 30 will be equal to 60 degrees. Therefore we have found out what are the values. Yes. So now tell me what are the angles. Angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Yes children. Now question number 9. In triangle XYZ, if angle X is to angle Z is 5:4 and angle Y is equal to 72 degrees, find angle X and angle Z. Solution. Given in triangle XYZ, angle X is to angle Z is equal to 5:4. So since the two angles are given in the form of ratio, let me take the angle X as 5x and angle Z as 4x. And it is given that angle Y is equal to 72 degrees. Now we have the three angles. By using the angle sum property of triangles, we have angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degrees. In the place of angle x, let me write as 5x. And in the place of y, the angle is given as 72 degrees. And in the place of z, we have 4x. So it can be written as 5x plus 72 degrees plus 4x is equal to 180 degrees. Now you have 4x and 5x. So adding 4x and 5x, it is 9x plus 72, that is equal to 180. Now let me transpose 72 to the other side. So it will be 180 minus 72 degrees. Now on subtracting 180 and 72, we get the answer as 108 degrees. Therefore 9x is equal to 108 degrees. To find the value of x, let me transpose 9 to the other side so that it divides 108 degrees. On dividing it, we find the value of x is equal to 12 degrees. Now, we have taken the value x and we are going to substitute in the place of angle x is equal to 5x. So, 5 into x, what is the value we have found as? 12. So 5 into 12 degrees will be equal to 60 degrees. Now I have to find the value for angle z. And angle z is given as 4x. So in the place of x, let me take it as 12 degrees. So 4 into 12 degrees will be equal to 48 degrees. Therefore, angle x is equal to 60 degrees and angle z is equal to 48 degrees. Now, the 11th question. In a right angle triangle M and O, angle N is equal to 90 degrees. MO is extended to P. If angle NOP is equal to 128 degrees, find the other two angles of triangle M and O. Solution. Given angle N is equal to 90 degrees, MO is extended to P. The exterior angle NOP is equal to 128 degrees. So this is given. So let us draw the right angle triangle MNO. And the side MO is extended to P. So there is an exterior angle NOP which is equal to 128 degrees. Now we have to find the other two angles of the triangle M and O, that is angle M and angle O I have to find out. Okay, so let us continue the solution. Here, since exterior angle is involved, we are going to use the property exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So using this property, we are going to find the value. So here exterior angle is NOP. And the interior angles can be written as angle M and N. So if I add both the angles, that is interior opposite angles, the sum of the interior opposite angles will be equal to the exterior angle. That is a property. So angle M plus angle N will be equal to 128 degrees. Now here we can substitute the value of angle N as 90 degrees and keep the value of M as it is. Now angle M plus 90 degrees is equal to 128 degrees. Let me transpose 90 degrees to the other side of the equation. So angle M is equal to 128 degree minus 90 degree. On subtracting these two values, the value for angle M is equal to 38 degrees. Now, I've got the angle M and I've got angle N. Let me use the angle sum property of the triangle to find the angle O. So, angle M plus angle N plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting the values of angle M and angle N can be written as 38 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Now adding 38 and 90 degrees, we can write it as 128 degrees. and transposing 128 degrees to the other side becomes minus 128 degrees. Therefore, angle O is equal to 180 degrees minus 128 degrees. Subtracting the above values, we find the value of O is equal to 52 degrees. Therefore, angle M is equal to 38 degrees and angle O is equal to 52 degrees, which are the other two angles of triangle M and O. Question number 12. Find the value of x in each of the given triangles. So, the triangle ABC is given with an exterior angle. We have to find the solution for this triangle. So, let us move on to the solution part. In triangle ABC, given angle B is equal to 65 degrees. AC is extended to L. The exterior angle at C is angle BCL, which is equal to 135 degrees. Now, we know the property that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So, this can be written as angle A plus angle B is equal to angle BCL. So, by substituting angle B and BCL, we can find angle A. Angle A plus angle B is given as 65 degrees, that is equal to angle BCL is 135 degrees. Transposing 65 to the other side, it is 135 degrees minus 65 degrees. On subtracting both the numbers, we find the value of angle A is equal to 70 degrees. Now, angle X plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees because that is a straight line and both the angles form a linear pair. Okay, so when I add angle X and angle A, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Now, to find the value of X, let me substitute the value of A. That is, x plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Transposing 70 to the other side can be written as x is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. Subtracting both the values, we find the value of x as 110 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 110 degrees. 12th sum, second subdivision. So, the diagram is given. Let us move to the solution. In triangle ABC, given angle B is equal to 3x minus 8 degree. Now, when I look at the diagram, we find that angle XAZ, which is 8x plus 7, will be equal to angle BAC because both are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, I can write it as angle XAZ is equal to angle BAC since vertically opposite angles. Now, this can be again written as angle BAC will be equal to 8x plus 7 because using the above vertically opposite angles property, we have written this. Now, when I consider the triangle ABC, angle A can be written as 8x plus 7. Yes, now it is given the exterior angle from the diagram. It is given that the exterior angle is XCY, which is equal to 120 degrees. Now, using the property exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, we can write as angle A plus angle B is equal to 120 degrees. Now, in the place of angle A and B, we substitute the given values. So, angle A is 8x plus 7 and angle B is 3x minus 8 degrees. So, adding both will be equal to 120 degrees. Now, let me add 8x and 3x. So, that will be 11x. Again, you have 7 and minus 8. So, the value for that will be minus 1. So, 11x minus 1 is equal to 120 degrees. Now, transposing minus 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 1. So, that 120 degrees plus 1 is 121 degrees. Now to find the value of x, let me transpose 11 to the other side so that it divides 121. Therefore, we find the value for x as 11 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 11 degrees. Question number 14. Using the given figure, find the value of x. So now let us look at the diagram. So there have been two triangles ABC, BDC. Okay, and the angles have been marked. Now let us move on to the solution part. In triangle EDC, side DE is extended to B to form the exterior angle CEB, which is equal to x. So from the diagram we can say that the triangle EDC is there and the side DE is extended to B such that an exterior angle is formed at CEB, and it is given that the value of the CEB is x. Now, using the property exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, we can write as angle CEB, that is exterior angle, equal to angle CDE plus angle ECD. Now, substituting the values of angle CDE and ECD, we can write as x is equal to angle CDE is 50 degrees plus angle ECD is 60 degrees. Now, let me add 50 degrees and 60 degrees. On adding, we get the value as 110 degrees. Therefore, x value is 110 degrees. Okay, children. Now, with this, we have completed the exercise. The second exercise will be done in the next session. Thank you and take care, children.